Alright, so this is our final project for 270. It's called A Gearhead's Guide to Camping. And basically what it is it's for people who have a lot of camping gear and backpacking gear that would like to keep track of it and organize it in such a way that they can make a list for each of their trips that they'll be going on. So they have a nice way to look at the total weight that they'll have and what kind of supplies that they need to pack. So the first button here, View Gear, will take us to our gear page. And as you can see, we have a ton of different types of items with descriptions and categories. You can even change the units so that you can see how much everything will weigh depending on what units you want to look at them in. So let's make that grams. We can return to our menu. Next is we can enter new gear. So let's put in a new pack. So pack, and then REI, category can be pack. And then I assume that this is a suitable weight. Let's put this in, I don't know, grams probably, and say it's really cool as our description. Alright, so you can see it's added our pack. It's really cool, and it's also updated our units so that we can compare our new item to our old item. And again, you can change this at any point whenever you want to see what kind of units our items or how much they weigh in different kinds of units. Next we can create a new trip. So let's go to Moab. Okay. So here our instructions say choose your gear by clicking the checkbox next to its name. When you are done, click See My New Trip. Okay, so here we see a bunch of text box will show up. So let's click a few of those. We need a first aid kit, tools, headlamp, bandana, knife, hammock straps and a hammock, pots, packing lid, Book of Mormon's always good, a stove, some spoons, a rain jacket, steak. Let's see what we have down here. Some random things. Get some hygiene, toilet paper, if people bring toilet paper while they're backpacking. Okay. And then let's put in one of our packs. Okay, so then we scroll up here and we'll say See My New Trip. And it will organize our new trip and list all of the, oh yeah, we brought Thanos with us. It'll list all of the items that we chose to bring, and then here are the totals of each of the categories along with your total weight. Looks like we're really packing it in. It's probably Thanos. And that's it.